I think it's important to reiterate this because you don't want to have a narrative at one stage and then a different sort of, a triumphant narrative at another stage. It was not really an issue about Mr. Assange. If you asked me, do I think what he did was morally correct? No, it wasn't. But the issue for me is extraterritoriality. This was an Australian citizen. He was not a citizen of the United States. He was not in the United States when this felony, as what they said, was created. He did not steal the information. That was then Bradley Manning, who is now Chelsea Manning. He was not the first person to publish this information. That was a gentleman, I believe the name of Doyle from Cryptomania, who first published it. And if the dissemination of this information is a crime, then every person where I now stand in the Parliament of Australia's fourth estate is on their way to the United States of America because you all printed it. And that creates massive confusions. I don't want a place in Australia where if I offend the Quran, I'm off to Riyadh. If I offend the Chinese Communist Party, I'm off to Beijing. Or an Australian citizen who offends a law in the United States is off to the United States, unless he's in the United States when he commits it. In that case, it's a completely different issue. But from what I read, and of course we're all very new to this, it's still a plea deal on a felony. As a plea deal on a felony, he has to be heard on the soil of the United States, and I read that may be Saipan Island. So we just got to be still cautious on how this proceeds because the end has not arrived.